Lesson 7, Unit 7. Information Management Improvements. It's important to remember that the goal of evaluating the information management process is to improve the process. There is no benefit obtained from an evaluation report if no actions are taken to implement the changes and make improvements to the process. The objective is that the next information cycle produces better results. By improving the information lifecycle, your project can save time, increase the use of information, reduce costs, and achieve greater stakeholder satisfaction. The objective is to continually improve the process by encouraging everyone to take responsibility in managing the process. Every project cycle is an opportunity to review and improve the information management process. It is at that moment that you and the team have fresh memories of what went wrong and how to fix it. Waiting too long may result in improvements that are never done or done partially. You need to list all the recommended improvements and rank them by its feasibility and impact to the project. It is not necessary to implement all the recommendations for the next cycle. By concentrating on the 20% most needed changes, you can achieve an 80% improvement in the information management process. You need to review the steps in each process. Evaluate the changes needed in the documentation, guidelines, flowcharts, and other tools used by the process. Make the required changes and train all team members on the use and application of the new changes, and if possible, pilot the changes before its full use. Once you implement the changes, you will need to inform all project information users, donors, beneficiaries, partners, local governments, and the organizations managing on the new changes. Inform accordingly on the changes each user group will see in the process. If a group will not be impacted by the change, then there is no need to inform them. As part of this process to improve the management of information, you should incorporate quality assurance activities in your plan. This will help identify and correct quality issues before the information is shared. You can also incorporate in the project reporting process the practice to review and edit the reports before they are sent to key stakeholders. Each step of the reporting process should include a quick review and assurance that the report contains accurate, complete, and relevant information. At the end of a project phase or at the completion of a significant milestone, you will need to capture the lessons learned in managing project information. For example, the lessons learned will include stakeholder feedback on the quality of information they receive. Train your team on information management as early as possible, and make changes in every cycle. Don't wait until the end to make the changes.